Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, we are going to link an external style sheet. In the previous video, I showed you how to embed CSS, and I told you that CSS prioritizes the inline style than the other style, even if it's a link style or even if it's an embedded style. Talking about embedding CSS, there is something that I forget. My apologies. So let me change. In this video, we are not going to link CSS. We are going to embed CSS in the same HTML document without doing it like this. We are going to do the same thing but not here. So how do you do that? So you go to right after the body section of your HTML tag, of the body tag, you just open a new tag called that one called style, a style tag. So what we did, we have just opened a style tag and we have closed it. So what we are going to do now, the document, the entire HTML document knows that inside here there is CSS. So let's continue with that. Now let's type our CSS. Okay, we want to change the body to red but not in the inline style. Okay, let's change it. Let's do like this. So we want to target that body, and then we open and close bracket, and then this is how we have targeted that body. That means now we are going to, let me just paste. Oh, okay, the syntax is not the same. That's fine. That means we just have to write background color red. Okay, so what we did, in the same HTML document, we have embedded CSS but in a different way. This way it's better than the first one, but still it's not the best, because the best way is to put all the CSS styles on a separate file. That will mean if we want to include it to this HTML document, we will have to link it. So this is a better version of embedding CSS, but also it's not the best. Okay, so now let's just save and see what will happen. Okay, as you can see, it's red. That means what we have done, we have embedded a CSS on an HTML document. So what might be the difference between this way and that way? In this way, I think it's more cleaner and shorter and visually pleasing. So, and also we can write as many style as we want here. For instance, we can say the background color is red. Let's set the margin so that I can show you that you can write multiple styles here without always writing style equal to writing style equal to. Okay, let's just check here and see if the margins are going to. Okay, let me just refresh, because at the moment I can't really tell. Okay, let's use what we have learned about the inspecting. If this is your first time or you are new in this channel, and also this is your first video that you see, please go to a playlist and look for other videos. We are just going to inspect and see and confirm if whatever that we did, it has been applied. So we are going to click here and inspect, and we want to check the body tag and see does it has a margin. Let me just increase here. As you can see, the margin is there, but we don't see it visually, but as you can see that the margin is there. So I will talk about the margin and how it applies, and also how can we visually see some of the things that we are doing in the next video. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msengati, that's about it. See you on the next one.